And then somebody says your name, and I'm right back where you left me. And some song comes on the radio, I keep driving but where you left me. And some girl from Tupelo buys my drink, and my heart starts to think that I don't miss you, but I still miss you. And then some. Hey guys, thanks for tuning in. This is Blaze of Blaze Guitar Lessons. Going to teach you guys how to play this great song. Please hit like and subscribe because it helps more people see the video. And also, if you subscribe to it, it just means a lot to me, so I really appreciate it. So let's get right into it. So this song is in standard tuning and it's a capo on the 3rd fret. All right, it's got a handful of chords. The chord progression kind of changes a little bit, so make sure you stick with me throughout the video until the end. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you the different chords that you're going to play. I'm also going to show you where you play them, like in the order and the strumming pattern for the verses, the chorus, and the bridge. And the bridge is a little bit different. It's not even really a bridge, but it's a little bit different anyway than the other parts. So just stick with me through it, and let me know if you guys have other requests and stuff in the comments. So let's get into it. So for this song, you're going to start by playing G and D. Okay? Those are the 2 chords you're going to start with in the intro. So you're just going to do G. So you do down, down, up, down, up, down. Okay? So and then you're going to go to D next, but when I transition to it, I go down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. See? Down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. Then you're going to switch to D. Down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down. Okay? So you're going to play G, D, G, D with no lyrics. That's the intro, and you're going to go to the verse. Now in the verse, you're going to do C major 7. So C major 7 is C, but you don't use your pointer finger, okay? So just like that, all right? I'm trying to move my pinky so you can see it's not touching anything, okay? So just those 2 fingers, that's C major 7. So you're just going to do, now I use this part, my fingernail, but you don't have to. You can just do your thumb or a pick or whatever. But when you do C major 7, you're going to do it on finally. Finally shaved my head again, and I finally opened up window shades again. So you're going to do single strum right before finally. Finally shaved, let's see. Finally shave my face again. So when you do that, you're doing single strum down, down, up, down, up, down. So finally shave my face again. So in this part, you're doing down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down. C major 7. Okay, so you're doing C major 7. And the thing to remember too, if you're not doing it exactly the way I am, that's okay. The rhythm guitar just needs to be on rhythm. So you can do a few extra strums, you can do a fewer strums, but you just want to have it, it doesn't have to be exactly like this, but it just needs to be something similar, all right? Just like with the rhythm and with the beat, okay? So C major 7, and finally shave my face again. Finally shave my face again. So I'm just doing down, 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 up, down, up. So here's another way you can do it too that's easy. Down, 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 up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up. That's probably the easier way, at least that's the way it's easier for me, is just that down, 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 up, down, up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, up, down. Down, down, up, down, up. So you do, it's not till shades where you do G, down, down, up, down, up. Then you do C major 7 right before and I was able. Okay, so you go to was able is where you're gonna do C major 7. And I was able to get up without whiskey in my coffee cup today. Okay, so today is where you do G again. Then you do down, 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 up, down, up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, up. Okay, now for the pre-chorus, you're going to do E minor, D, and C major 7. So you're going to do single strum down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up. Okay, then you do C major 7, down, down, up, down, up. Now you could just do it with single strums, okay? So you could just do, if you want to make it super simple, you could just do E minor on they, They don't know. So you can just do, they don't say is D, say it, that it's way overdue. So overdue is where you're going to do C major 7. Overdue. And you go to E minor on finally. Finally feel like I'm is going to be D. Like I'm getting over a C major 7. Over you. And then somebody, okay, so then you're going to go into the chorus. So for that, you could just do down, 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 down. But you can also do down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, down, up, down, up. Okay, so you could do that, all right, as well. Now for the chorus, you're going to go to, you're going to start with G. And then somebody is G. Somebody says your name, and I'm right back where you left me. So you can do a couple different things here. You can do that one I was just doing, which is, then somebody says your name, and I'm right back where you left me. And some song comes on the radio. So for this, you're just doing down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. So you're just doing down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, okay? So you can do that one, or you can make it a little bit, I think it sounds better because it's a little bit softer, and that's what that song is. You can do down, so you do a single strum down, you do down, 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 up, down, up, down, up. Okay, so you're adding an extra break and an extra strum in there. So down, 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 up, down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, down, up, down, 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 up, down. Okay, so you could do that as well. Now I'll show you where the chords go. So you do G on somebody, and somebody says your name. So somebody is G, name, and I'm right back where you left me. And some song is E minor, song comes on the radio. I keep driving by where you left me. And some girl is C, girl comes, then some girl from Tupelo buys my drink in my heart. So you can do C on girl, or you could just do C major 7, okay, and just do it without the pointer finger. All right, either one's fine. I think it sounds better if you do C on girl, and then when you get to C major, when you get to then my heart, the heart is going to be C major 7. So you're going to do, then some girl from Tupelo buys my drink, then see, I took off my pointer finger. My heart starts to think that I don't miss. So miss is where you're going to do A minor 7, okay? So it's just A minor, but you don't use your ring finger, okay? I don't miss you. You do down, 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 up, but I still miss you. Miss is that, so that next miss is going to be C major 7. Miss you. And on that, I would just do a single strum. Miss you. And then some, and then you're going to do G. So you're just doing down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, D, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, C, okay, C, or C major 7, it's going to be fine here, either way. And then you need to go to cut a couple inches off my hair, and I even asked the girl downstairs for drinks, okay? So the second verse is the same as the first one. The second pre-chorus is the same. The second chorus is the same. But for the bridge part, you're just going to do single strums here. That's the difference. So you do, they don't say that it's way overdue. So remember before I said you could just do single strums? That's all you're going to do for this last pre-chorus part, okay? And then when you're ending the song, after doing that last chorus, you're just going to do, and then some, and I would just do a G chord at the end, okay? So that's how you play the whole song. Let me know if you guys have any questions or anything. Thanks for watching. It's been fun, and I'll see you next time.